It's a good idea to really plan your experience point structure if you have more than one Smiley's product. For smaller organizations, for example, a two-level hierarchy might be enough, where all experience points are under one group. For bigger organizations, you might need multiple levels, for example, countries, locations, and individual experience points in a store. Admins can create and manage experience points for the organization. First things first, an experience point is a feedback collection point that has a Smiley's product assigned to it. This could be a physical location or a web page if you're using Smiley Digital. The feedback data received from the Smiley's product is gathered in Happy or Not analytics to generate reports for that experience point. Experience points form the reporting structure, which determines how feedback data is organized and compiled into reports. It also allows users to have different levels of access to the data. Experience points can be collected to form a group. Think carefully who needs access to which experience point or group. For example, if you have Smileys measuring both customer and employee experience, you should create separate groups for them. This way, you can give access only to employee experience data, customer experience data, or both.